In this video, I'm going to show you how search query performance gives you the exact data you need to win on Amazon. So please stick till the end so you can get the maximum insight. So search query performance is one of the most important powerful data source on Amazon that supports how customers search, clicks, and purchases within your category, and it gives you a real market level insight, not just your brand data. And search query performance helps you understand like which keywords are driving the most traffic and conversion across the entire category. By identifying high volume and high converting search term, like you can strategically optimize your listing title, bullet point, and the backend keywords. And also you can align your PPC campaigns accordingly, as compared to like by looking at the SQP reports. When you consistently target and convert on the right search queries, so Amazon start recognizing your product as relevant for those keywords, and it directly improves your organic ranking. Because Amazon prioritized that product because it consistently generates strong click-through rate and conversion rate for that particular search term. In simple words, SQP helps you find the real buyers, understand the market demand, improve listing relevancy, boosting conversion signals, and ultimately rank higher organically on Amazon. So if you use SQP the right way, so you are using actual customer behavior to dominate your Amazon ranking. Okay.